Today I am excited to show you a very simple sandwich recipe which is very delicious and amazing. So if you have some bread and some eggs, just stay tuned and learn how to make this exciting cheesy sandwich recipe. So over here I have some bread, some eggs, sausages, cheese. I'm using both mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Over here I have some eggs, margarine and some seasoning. You can switch the margarine with some butter. Start off by adding some oil to a pan. Add in my sausages. As my sausages are cooking, I'm going to butter my bread. Flip my bread and butter the other side. I'm using 4 slices of bread for this recipe, so I'm going to butter all sides. Because the sausages are not a lot, I chose to shallow fry my sausages. So I'm going to flip and turn until the sausages are well cooked and golden brown on the outside. I'm going to be using low heat to cook my sausages so that they can cook on the inside. If you add a lot of flames to the pan, the sausages are going to brown quickly on the outside and the inside is not going to be cooked. So I'm done buttering my bread, so I'm going to place this aside. Pick a bowl and crack in my 2 eggs. To my eggs, I'm going to add in some black pepper and salt to season. If you don't like black pepper, you can skip, but I would recommend you try out adding a little bit of black pepper to your eggs. Using a fork, I'm going to whisk in the eggs until fully combined with the seasoning. Nice, my sausages are ready and they have a very nice golden brown color. So I've cooked the sausages for around 2 minutes while flipping and tossing so that the sausages can fully cook. So I'm going to transfer my sausages to a plate to drain the excess oil, which I've placed in a paper towel. To my pan, I'm going to add in my eggs. Bring in the sides of the egg as the egg cooks. This is to allow all the egg to be fully cooked. After 30 seconds, I'm going to flip my egg. Nice. Immediately I flip my egg, the egg is going to cook on the other side. So because I don't want to overcook my egg, the egg is ready. So I'm going to transfer to a plate and place my egg aside. So the next step is to toast my bread. So this is a 1-pan recipe. I've only used 1 pan, so I'm going to place my bread on the side that I buttered. As the bread is toasting, I'm going to place in a piece of mozzarella cheese, an egg, some more cheddar cheese, my sausage, and lastly I'm going to place my other slice of bread. Check on my sandwich and flip. Nice. Just look at that color. Press down a little bit so that the cheese can melt and the other side of the bread can be well toasted. Just listen to the crunch on my toast. That is very nice. The bread is very crunchy. My toast is ready and the cheese is fully melted. Just look at that. Transfer to a plate. Cut my bread in half. Just listen to the crunch. Nice. Just look at that. I love making this kind of sandwiches because they are always so delicious because of the cheese, the sausage, the egg, and let's not talk about the crunch on the toast. So I added both cheddar and mozzarella cheese because the cheddar adds some taste, the mozzarella is for the cheese pull. So you have to enjoy the sandwich while the sandwich is still warm. You want to have that nice cheesy pull. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you on my next video.